is getting to an execution only phase where you must execute. Is going. Come on, it will be so hard to keep up. Oh, God will help us. It eventually happens.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, so let's just jump right into the conversation. Okay, so we're talking about the future for content creators. So as somebody who is in the space, who's knowledgeable about content and creating content, can you tell us what the future looks like for content creators?
I work with like prominent brands.
Yes.
In 2025, industry leading brands, organization and stuff like that. I've been able to help them curate content. I've been able to help them, get started on various structures, formats, and types of content. I've seen growth across all of, the
platforms.
Platforms that we've been able to. So speaking on
the
future of
content creation for content creators. So if you're like a content creator,
the future, right? I think the whole idea when it comes to content creation, I feel it's changing and evolving like extremely rapidly.
Okay.
Right. Where I think we're going into the era where people that call themselves creators and creatives have to actually live up to that name, because we're getting to a point where if you are unable to think, right, then you are going to be at a serious loss. And what do I mean? At 2025, we have a lot of AI systems and all of this that are rising and coming up and building very fast, right? So a lot of things are getting automated right now. So it means like mundane tasks, like
can you give us an example?
Mundane tasks. Even right now in November 2025, we have in the content creation space, we already have text to videos. With machine learning, we have text to videos that you just basically type a prompt and you get the video, right? So I can just type a video of a black woman and a black guy sitting in an office space having a communication, and I get hyper realistic result. Practically in like minutes, right? And it's only going to get better, right? So I see where ChatGPT was a couple months ago and see where ChatGPT is now. Like, it's still going to get better in a couple months, right? So the workflow where before it takes you like hours to sit down, edit a video. Now, if you take CapCut for instance, you see like a lot of templates and like all these templates, you see mad, breathtaking kind of videos on these templates, right? And you try to reuse this and you are using it in 2 seconds, and you get edits that normally takes you like a full day to make, hours to a full day to make. You are now able to make this in like 5 minutes or less. If you leverage AI, right? So it's only going to get better. So it gets to a point where if you're unable to think or come up with like innovative ideas or fast ideas or think fast and execute, you're going to be at
the sidelines.
It's going to be extremely dangerous, because the world is getting to an execution only phase where you must execute. It's going. Come on, it will be so hard to keep up. Oh, God will help us. It eventually happens.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. That's a lot of speaking.
For people who are content creators that are listening in on the conversation and just wondering or feeling overwhelmed by all of these AI tools and whatnot, how can you get them to key into the tools without feeling like AI is coming to take my job, or I should rather just quit now because I cannot keep up? Stuff like that.
Yes, like I just said, right? The world is getting to a execute phase. So if you do not start training yourself now to execute, unfortunately for you, I can't help you. Nobody can help you. Even God himself cannot help you if you do not get to a point where you put your mind that I must start executing, because whether I like it or not, it's here to stay. I cannot wake up tomorrow and I say ChatGPT is going nowhere. It is here to stay. Like, that's literally the new internet. Like when Google came out and changed it, when Charles Babbage found the internet, the world changed. Internet came out, changed. Smartphones came out, changed. AI has come and it's here to stay, right? The world is evolving and it is here to stay. So if you do not start figuring out how to implement this into what you do currently, I'm sorry for you. And I don't know.
So somebody said like photographers should be very careful because AI will literally like send them off the markets, like take their jobs basically. Do you think that it's something that photographers should be scared about or worried about? And also, if yes, what do you think they can do, or what tools can they implement to their photography to be able to help them stand out basically?
We have a lot of tools available on market
for photographers.
Yes, for photographers.
Okay.
Right, but then this still brings me back to the points I earlier stated. The world is changing, and if you're not able to leverage all of these tools, then you'll be left behind. So photographers are wallowing and complaining that it's here to take that. Unfortunately, it's here. It's nothing you can do about it. If you keep complaining, nothing changes. In fact, they're even releasing newer updates, newer models every single day.
Do you think that? Okay, sorry, finish.
I think that what?
I was going to say, do you think that this new releases and this thing is just like for a select few people, and then they're like a wild market that's not yet aware of what's happening?
Yes.
Okay, so
when Bitcoin came out, it was a revolutionary idea that came out, right? And every like a lot of people heard about it, not everybody keyed into it. But right now, a lot of people are releasing it, a lot of people are hearing about it, but people are still like hesitant, people are still like unaware. I think, or they're still like relaxed and not really want to take action. Like I don't think anybody in 2025 will say they don't know about the rise of AI and how I don't think it's possible. If that is happening, then it's a serious cause for concern, because you stand no chance in the future. If you stand by now, you are, I don't know. I honestly, because I honestly don't know if by 2025 you are saying you are unaware that there are rising of AI tools, right?
They still do things manually, so they still take pictures manually, say edit videos manually, without being. It's
still happening, but like I said, it's going to evolve. Couple years ago, we had pilots that get footages from the sky, right? Before drones came on board, you see people that get on helicopters with cameras in their hand to video from the sky. But eventually, drones came up, and where were those guys? They were all complaining, why the heaven are we having this thing? We can't trust it. What if it slices someone's? What if it does? But then fast forward to this, that is like basically who on earth is going to go and book a helicopter to carry you to get aerial footages? Now, even the era of drones soon may become obsolete now, because I can basically go on Google Earth and just type third mainland, and it will show me third mainland. I can pan around, record, and get like up to date footages in real time of X location, right? So bringing back photographers, their AI tools are coming. It's going to level the field. So rather than paying $1 million to come to a studio, I feel like now everybody now can, you same way I have access to those tools, you have access to tools, right? But then it brings me back to the point where if you are unable to think, because what makes a creative photographer is his idea to bring his ability to bring ideas to life. The ideas he had, the people that probably came to him did not have the ideas. Some people they just want good pictures. So I can say, okay, I like this picture. How can I get this picture? AI gets me a beautiful picture of a fan. But whatever a creative person, people that before AI came, they were trying to be creating mind-blowing manipulations, mind-blowing arts before AI came. I can't even imagine what they will be able to do when they have access. It just makes them work faster. It makes them execute ideas faster. So I don't know. I just feel like a lot of the things change, and then those people now, imagine how dangerous they will become if the people that did not implement the power and possibilities of this AI stuff, they're all still wallowing and saying blah blah AI stuff, and these people harness the full power and produce whatever they do. I feel like they will be unmatched basically, right? So
the difference will be very clear.
It will be extremely clear, right? Then there's the high demand for AI content right now. So this is the future. There's no sugarcoating it. This is the future, and we better be ready to
embrace it.
It is here to stay. Okay. It may even be the downfall of humanity. We never know. But yeah, we don't know. You know, the godfather of AI said it may be the downfall of humanity because of how incredible and how as incredible as it is, this is
Do you think it holds all the power?
At the moment, no.
Have you watched Love, Death and Robots on Netflix?
I have the documentary, but I've not seen it.
Do you think that something like that is going to happen with the advent of AI? Like AI will now come and invade and...
That's what the godfather of AI said.
Destroy us.
Yes, he had like a 2-hour podcast where he spoke extensively on the power of AI, the implications and all of that. This podcast has long.
Sorry, okay. Okay, so final words.
It might be enjoyable to be on the podcast and just actually, it's sweet too. Just sit and just talk. It's not hard. Somebody else will edit it. It might actually be just before the podcast, just prepare yourself and just come and talk. Make mistakes you can cut out. Final
words to content creators, because they're actually speaking.
Embrace AI. This is here to stay. It's to force you. So before, if you had an idea, so content creators, if you had an idea for a content, a video, right? Before, if it took you like a full day, 2 days, 1 week to come up with ideas, you can come up with ideas at the moment with 100 ideas in 2 minutes. That's the power at your fingertips, right? So before, you had the issue or problem of what can I do? What can I create? What can I create? What can I create? But bro, you can't have the guts to tell me I don't know what to create when literally you have 2 like GB